Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm going to do a unboxing. I have a case here that I bought for the Motorola Stylus 5G. I always tell you guys, before you actually use your phone, you should probably have a case already pre-purchased, so that way the case can come at the same time as the phone, or just, you know, don't use the phone until you get the case, because you don't want to damage the device if you drop it. You know, these things are sensitive, especially the screens, so definitely have a case. So anyways, I went to Amazon, I bought this case. I think it was like $7. You go ahead and unwrap this thing, and just see what's inside this bag. Man, they really put this thing in tight here. Wow. Okay, so here we go. Here's the case. I'm not really sure what brand this is. I just found it on Amazon, and this one comes with a tempered glass, so that's another thing that I like to buy, a case that has a tempered glass already included in the case. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So here's the case. All right, share your shopping experience, and it has some wet wipes. So this is to apply the tempered glass. And here's the case, nice and sturdy. Let's go ahead and cut this thing open here. Let's get this thing out of the box, out of the package, actually, the plastic. So this case has a matte finish to it. Wow, this case feels really good. It's plastic, but it feels like matte. And then be careful when you push this out, because this is the tempered glass, and you definitely don't want to crack that. I'm going to keep that intact. And this is pretty cool also, so you don't lose your phone. Little strap, that's pretty cool. I'll put that to the side, and let's see what this case is made of. Okay, so it's plastic and rubber, and this is like dual layered, but the good thing is that it's just in one piece, so this thing is going to give you a lot of protection. All right, let's go ahead and pop it on. All right, it's a little snug. Okay, wow, this thing looks like an Ultra right now, right? S24 Ultra, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Oh, this case is nice. Oh, this is it, man. And look at the protection. It has protection for the camera lens, and then it also has protection for the screen. You can definitely tell that there's protection here. So if you drop it, you should be good to go. All right, now let's go ahead and apply this screen protector. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to use these wet wipes, and you definitely want to wipe the screen off. Make sure that there's no residue there. Man, sometimes these things are hard to open. All right, let's get this thing out of here. All right, here we go. So we got the dry wipes, the wet wipes. Now, first thing I like to do is I actually want to take the screen protector off. Not the screen protector, the case off when I'm doing this. It's easier to align it, so I'm going to take this off first. Now be careful, this case is really snug on here, man. It's hard to take off. That could be good or bad. That means that it's really, you know, glued on tight, man. Wow, this thing is impossible to take off now. Holy crap, look at that. Alright, got it. So, case is out. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I want to turn off the screen. So when it's a dark screen, it's a lot easier to clean it. You get the wet wipe and wipe it down thoroughly. And let's go ahead and do that. It shouldn't be too dirty. I just had this phone in a couple of days ago. All right, so just wipe that in thoroughly there. Turn it off if you can. Put the power off if you can. Actually, it's probably better if you just turn the power off. I think that might be the best thing to do here. So let's just power this bad boy off. Okay, let's power it off, and let's do it that way. Wow, forgot my pin. Basic pin here. I change my pin all the time. So anyway, we'll power that off, and just start cleaning it down, and then get our dry wipe and just clean it down nicely, make sure all the residue is gone, and then eyeball it. See that? If you guys see anything, it looks pretty clean, right? I don't see any residue anywhere. Alright, we're going to eyeball that. Alright, that looks clean. Now we're going to start aligning this bad boy. So make sure that you know which side you have to put on there. So this side is the side we're going to peel. This side's going to go on top. So this is the bottom end. Alright, now just kind of eyeball it. Well, you have to eyeball it, and you want to put that in the center where the punch hole is. Now that's where you have to be careful. See where the punch hole is? You want to put it right in the middle, just like that. And instead of pressing too hard, just kind of just let it lie on top of it like that. You see that? Just like let it lie on top, and then it'll do its own magic. Eventually it'll just start filling in. You see that? You just start filling it in, and then we'll just go ahead and rub it in. There we go. There we go. Just rub it in, and hopefully the bubbles will come out by themselves. Over time they usually do. You know, not every screen protector is built the same. Usually the ones that come with these cases aren't going to be the same quality as a screen protector you would buy, you know, like a standalone screen protector. So you can see that there's you know, too much space here. I might want to redo that again. So if you're going to redo that again, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to be super careful here when you lift it. Super careful, super careful. All right, there you go. It's coming off. All right, it's coming off. All right, coming off again. And remember, just grab the edges, and then when you're taking it off, take it off slowly. All right, so now we're going to do it again, and we're going to try to center it so that everything is centered this time around. All right, so I like the ones that come with the screen installer, where it's easier. So anyways, I think this is the one. All right, this one looks pretty good. It's not going to be perfect, man, but it is what it is. And when you add the case on here, you should be okay. So we'll just go ahead and fill in these bubbles. They'll go away in time. I'm not too concerned. What's really concerning to me is that this thing is protected, and so this just double protects it. And yeah, so you're gonna have some bubbles here. So anyways, not a big deal. Slap the screen protector back on, I mean the case back on, and figure out the same way you did it the first time, and there you go. All right, so now the bubbles are there, but once you turn the phone on, you're not really gonna pay too much attention to that, because they will go away. See that? It's gonna go away. These bubbles will go away eventually, and see, they're going away. Just got to rub them in, rub them out. You guys know what I'm talking about. All right, just rub them out. Anyways, and if you want to get another screen protector, you know, I'd say go for it. But this one will do for now. Anyways, so this is it. We have this nice, beautiful, heavy case, and I'll put a link in the description once I find it. And like I said, I'm not sure. There's really no let's see, what is the name here on this case? There really isn't even a name on here. It just says made for smartphone. Okay, well anyways guys, that's what it is. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Until next time, stay blessed and take care.